Welcome to a step-by-step tutorial on Google Classroom. In the first part, we're going to have a look at how to create your first Google Classroom. Without further ado, step number one, go to Google.com. If you already have an account with Google, sign in. If you don't have an account, click Create Account and go through the process. Once you've signed in or created a Google account, there are two ways to access Google Classroom. The first way is to click in the top right corner and scroll down until you see Classroom. Click on the Classroom, or you can type Google Classroom. Either of these two ways will get you to Google Classroom. Welcome to your Google Classroom home screen. Normally, you will see your classes here. Because you don't have any classes yet, you don't see any. To create your first class, click on the plus sign in the top right corner. Click Create Class. Enter the name of your class. Other fields are optional and you don't have to fill them in. Click Create, and that's it. Good job! Your first Google Classroom has been created. In our next tutorial, we'll see how to invite students to your newly created Google Classroom. Until the next time, bye-bye!